Very good morning to all of you. I'm sharing the QR code. Give the attendance. Okay, so I think attendance is done. So we can proceed toward the session. So yesterday I discussed with you wind bridge, which was left out. And second of all, I was discussing that how to represent the polar form of complex number. Okay, so today we will do some examples on that and then we will solve that problem. Okay, so sit with your pen and copy. And now I will give you to do and you will tell me the answer, because yesterday I did one sum for you. So exactly that kind of question today I will be giving you. Number one, find the polar, because this thing now you will require in control system also. If you have learned control system, there you must have done this, but I don't know why you are not aware of it. Okay, so you have a complex number 7 minus 7 minus 5j, right? So you do the solution and tell me the solution. You know how to proceed. Yesterday previous class I have discussed with you how to do it, how to find out. Actually, see, we need to find out two things, right? One is r and one is theta. If you know these two things, then you will be able to solve it. Okay, so tell me how much r you are getting from this particular problem. R, what is the value of r? Tell me the value of r fast. Are you listening to me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Find the value of r. Etesam, find the value of r. Manorama, Josna, do everyone. This basic things is not clear to you all. How you can find out r? Tell me the value of r.
Ma'am, R is equals to 7.74.
7.74. Are you sure? Huh? 49 plus 25. It is becoming 74. Root over of 74. How much is coming? See, do the calculation.
8.6.
Yes, some 8.6 will come. Okay. Then you have to find out the alpha. Alpha is what? Tan inverse y by x. What is your y? Your y is 25 and your x is 49. Okay. So sorry. This is I did wrong. This will be your y is what? What is your y? Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Y by
7,
5 by 7. Yeah, how much is coming in degree? How much is coming in degree? Tell me.
Approx 35.5.
35.54. Okay. Okay. Now, if you're aware of the quadrant, okay, so let me tell you this particular complex number for 7 minus 5j. It actually lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay. See, let me tell you. If we draw the quadrant like this, so if this is wait. If this is my quadrant 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this 7 minus 5j lies in this quadrant. Okay, in this quadrant. So what we have to do, how we have to find out theta? It will be 360 degree minus 35.54 degree. Tell me the value. Tell me the value. What is the value of theta?
Ma'am, 324.4.
Yes, 324.46 degree. So how you can express now this 7 minus 5j in polar form? How can you write 7 minus 5j? We can write like this, 8.6 cos 324.5 degree plus j sine 324.5 degree, isn't it? We can write like this. And we can also write like this, 8.6 angle 324.5 degree. Okay, we can write in both the way.
मैम
Yes.
मैम वहाँ पे 360 से माइनस कैसे कर दिए हम?
मैंने बोला ना फोर्थ
four-
क्वाड्रेंट में है. I told you ना that 7
तो
minus.
मैम
हाँ, बोलो.
कैसे चलेगा मैम क्वाड्रेंट पे?
7 minus 5. अब तो मुझे सारे क्वाड्रेंट की चीजें देना है. I have to tell you. 7 minus 5j. 7 minus 5j in complex number, a quadrant ka method, there is a method for quadrant in complex number. If you have done class 11 complex number chapter, then I have to discuss that thing with you. Okay, see, it's my request. You go through once that complex number chapter if you face problem. Okay. There is a concept of the quadrant. Yes, there is a concept of quadrant in that particular chapter. That which particular terminology or complex number we take in which quadrant. Okay, there are 4 quadrants. Maximum this kind of minus term we go for fourth quadrant, because plus term jo bhi hote. See, yesterday I did a sum with you. That was with plus. I don't remember the exact complex number, but that was somehow plus sign was there, right? If you have done in your copy, just check it out. More another problem I will show you just now. In that problem also, it will face the fourth quadrant thing. So take that problem again, and something if you have. Okay, let me tell you the difference. Next problem you take, then you can understand. Next problem le lo. these things get much clearer now when you learn control system. Okay, so in control system, these things get much more clear. So I don't know why you haven't done control system. Okay, see, I will give you now two sums. Okay, one I will give you 1 plus j root 3, this one, and set third I will give you, and you will do this two terms. Now you can find the difference. Root 2 minus j root 2. Okay, both the things you have to write in polar form. Tell me how you will write. First you do this one, 1 plus j root 3. Okay, do this one. Tell me how you can find the in the polar form. What is the r? Tell me the value of r first.
R is 2, ma'am.
Yes, r
Ma'am,
is
2.
yes. What will be theta? Theta is tan inverse root 3 by 1. Okay, something it will come. See,
I'm 60 degree.
yes, 60 degree, correct. Acha, just a second. $60 I got, right? So theta I got 60 degree. Acha. One more thing you see, as Tesam was telling, let me clear one him. In my previous problem, let me share you this thing. Rest of all you will see in the chapter. What is my theta coming? What is my theta coming?
Ma'am, 324.46.
Yes, that means if my first quadrant lies from 0 to 180, okay, then this is from 180, not sorry, 0 to 90. This is from 90 to, you know, na, the range of each quadrant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this 324 is exceeding 270. So it is coming in the range of above, you can say greater than 270. Okay, but less than 360. This 324 is coming. So it will fall in the fourth quadrant now, right? It will fall in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so just like that, see here again what my theta, what my theta is coming in the next question. 60 degree. So 60 degree it is coming. So naturally, I can say, if I take this kind of quadrant, if this is my 90, this is my 0, then it will somewhere around here. Sorry, this is my 90, this is my 0. Okay, 60 means somewhere around here. Clear? So it is coming in the first quadrant. So now you tell me how you can write the polar term.
Ma'am, that is 2 cos 30 degree plus j sin 30 degree.
Wait. Yes, correct. 2 cos whatever you are telling, write it. Do the next problem. Then I will discuss with you. Do the next problem.
Ma'am, 315 degree plus j.
Yeah, in this problem also you have to do 360 minus with whatever you are getting the alpha. वही theta होगा तुम्हारा. ठीक है? Then I will discuss with you that quadrant problem. Okay, wait, this I will do, but let me tell you one thing before this. See, if I take a particular term, suppose 4 plus J4. Okay, this is one term, 4 plus J0. This is another term, minus 4 plus J4. Try to understand the variations. Okay, 4 plus J4, if you consider any quadrant, then it actually happens to like this. It comes in this quadrant. Okay, this 4 plus J4. 4 is right and 4 up. Okay, 2 4s are there. 1 4 is for right and 1 4 is up. Like this, you will get the thing. This is for 4 plus J0. 4 right and 0 up and down. This we say actually in case. So it will be like this. In case of minus 4 plus J4, it will be 4 left and 4 up. It will be just like this. That means it falls in second quadrant. Okay. 4 plus J4 falls in first quadrant. So minus 4 plus J4 falls in second quadrant. Okay. Secondly, if I go for 4 minus J4, if this happens, it is 4 right and 4 down. So this I told you what? 4 right for this, and this is 4 up. This one. This for this I told you 4 right and 0 up or down, whatever. Because my J term is 0. Okay, my J term is 0. Minus 4 J4, which I told you here. For this, I can say 4 left because it's already negative, that is left, and 4 is for up. J4 is for up. Okay. 4 minus J4, here we will say 4 right and 4 down. That is, I will take this quadrant. This is my third quadrant. So I will say here, it's 4 right and 4 down. Understood? So this methodology will come under every problem. Here again, so you will easily understand whenever you see the complex problem, that what problem is given, you can easily understand under which quadrant it will come. So according to that, you will find out the angle. Okay, and here in this case, it's minus 4 by J0. It we say it 4 left and 0 up or down. Okay, and only left is the only left is the this one quadrant, third quadrant. It will be so for this I will take minus 4 minus J4. So here in this case I will take this quadrant. Okay, and this I will say 4 left and 4 down. Okay, so you can understand now that which quadrant which we are taking, and you know the range of the quadrants, right? That first quadrant line, which range. Okay, so accordingly you have to now work. So if you have idea of this method, this trick, then after seeing the problem, you will be easily understand that on which quadrant it may come. Okay. So can I move to the previous slide? Problems kar le? Ye wala, these things you just take it down in your copy. So similarly, so I can say here, this is my first quadrant. Okay, this is my second quadrant. This is my third quadrant. Okay, and this is my fourth quadrant. So I hope you understand here. Understood this portion, Ehtasam? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I can move to the previous problem, and now previous problem you can do on your own. So this minus j root 2, sorry, root 2 minus j root 2. This one you do and tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am, 2 cos 315 degree plus j sine 315 degree.
You have done now that 360-degree minus because it's in the fourth quadrant. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's fine. Then it's okay. Ehtasam, got it? Understood this much
Yes,
portion?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so that concept which I told you, that is important. If you remember that, then easily you could understand that in which quadrant what is falling. Then it will be not an issue. For normal plus, I mean 4 plus j3 or 1 plus j3, for that it's become very much easier. But from this, for this different terminologies, different formulas are being used. That is the thing. Okay, now let us move to that problem, what we were discussing. Wait. Okay, the problem was, as Pooja told me, an AC bridge. I'm repeating the problem. Okay, just take it down. An AC bridge circuit working at 1000 hertz, as shown in a figure. That figure I will draw for you. Arm AB is 0.2 microfarad pure capacitance. Arm BC is 500 ohm pure resistance. Arm CD contains an unknown impedance, and arm DA has a 300 ohm resistance in parallel with a 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Find R and C and L constants of the arm CD, considering it as a series circuit. So let us do this problem first. Okay, so in my problem, first of all, the figure we can draw, or we can do directly also. Figure you can draw in your own. First of all, this is one of the arm. Wait. This is one of the arm that is having only capacitance. This arm we can say as AB. Okay. Second, our arm BC, that is having a pure resistance. That is, I can say BC. And arm CD contains an unknown impedance. Okay. So I can put it here like this, unknown impedance, which I don't know. And this is my CD. The CD. And last is DA has 300 resistance in parallel with. So my resistance here is in parallel with what? With a capacitor, right? So I can write here, it was 0.2 microfarad, and this resistance is 500 ohm, that is unknown. And here also this resistance is 300 ohm, and this is 0.5 microfarad. Got it? So you have to find the R and C of the arm CD, because the CD arm is unknown to us and we don't know. And here we'll be having a detector D. Okay, and here you will be having the connection with a supply will be just like this. Okay, this is my figure. Now my first step will be, I need to find out the impedance of the arm AB. Okay. Impedance of arm AB. Now you tell me, when I find impedance of the arm AB, that will be what? Z1 is equals to 1 by 2 pi FC1, right? So put the formulas, put the values. 2 pi. F is what? 1000 I have given you in the problem. And C1 is what? C1 is 0.2 microfarad. Okay. So 0.2 into 10 to the power 6. So how much it is coming? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Fast. Hello. 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 Are you listening to me? Hello. Ayushi, Pooja. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm repeatedly asking you, hello, hello, what's going on? Respond. What is the answer? Tell me here. What is the Z1? Where is Pooja? Pooja has come up with this problem. Where is she? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Z1 का value बताओ जल्दी. Don't you have your calculator with you or your phone with you? Do the calculation.
100 ohm.
800. 800, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Z1 I can also write 800, okay? Angle minus 90 degree. Why angle minus 90 degree I'm writing here? Because I need it here. And this I can write, I mean, you can write here this angle 90 degree ohm since it is a PO capacitance, okay? Since it is a pure capacitance, okay? Secondly, you know that from here, Z2 is impedance is just how much? 500. 500 ohm. This is okay. Third, wait, Z2 is 500. Yes. Acha. Z2 arm BC. Arm BC is 500. Z3 arm, the Z3. Yeah. Z3 arm we don't know. It's unknown to us, right? Arm CD contains unknown impedance and DA has 300. Okay. Just a second. Z. Yeah. Okay, then what is, if this is my Z1 arm, okay, this is my, which is my Z2 arm? Z2 arm will be this one. Okay, Z2 you take it this one, Z2. And Z3 arm you take it this one. Okay, so put it here Z3. Okay. So we can write Z3 again as 500 angle 0 degree because since it is pure resistance. Okay. Now for Z2 what we can write? For Z2 we can write R2 divided by 1 plus j omega C2R2. Okay, so what is your R2? It's 300. Okay, and divided by 1 plus j omega, you can write 2 pi multiply by 1000, that is 2 pi f. Okay, in the place of f I can write C2, it is 0.1 multiply by 10 to the power minus 6. It will be also 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Multiply by 300. Now you tell me the answer. What are you getting here? What are you getting? Solving this portion, you will get something in terms of J term. Okay. Solving this, what are you getting? You will get something to solve it in your home. 294.8 minus J 55.4. Now you tell me this term is lying in which quadrant? This term is lying in which quadrant?
Fourth, ma'am.
Yes, agar fourth quadrant is lying, then tell me in angle form. In angular form, find out the r and theta and tell me the value. Tell me that polar form of this angle. Then you have to just balance the equation. Balancing, we know it is simple. Z1, Z4 is equal to Z2, Z3. Okay, do the balancing and tell me. So we need to know the impedance of CD. CD means Z4. So Z4 we have to find out. So Z4 can be find out by Z2, Z3 by Z1. Okay. So tell me the value of Z2, otherwise I can't proceed. See, it will come somehow 300 angle of minus 10.6 degree. If I'm not wrong, you can do the calculation at your home. This Z2 will be, sorry, this is 360, not 300. This will be 360 angle of 10.6. So Z2 you can take here 360, multiply by Z3 500, divided by your Z1 is somehow 800. Okay, and you have to also take the angles here. That is minus 10.6 degree plus 0 degree plus 90 degree. Okay, after doing the calculation, you will get 187.5 angle of 18.4 degree. Okay, you will get something like this. Now, this is your impedance Z4. Okay, now what you have to find out? You have to find out what you have to find out. You have to find out the R4. So what can be your R4 here? Can you tell me the R4? Tell me the value of R4 from this particular equation. 187.5. Okay, 187.5. Now you tell me the R4. See, the positive angle for impedance indicates that the branch consists of a series RL circuit. Okay, so resistance R4 we can write as what? 187.5, and cos how much we can take? Cos how much we can take? 18.4 we have. So what you can do, you can find out the R4. Okay, R4 you can write like this: 187.5 cos. Cos what term you can take? So what is the angle? Have you done the calculation? What is the angle came? In case this is 18.4. So what you can do, you can subtract this 18.4 from 90. What are you getting here? Tell me the value. If you subtract 90 minus 18.4, tell me the value. 71.4.
71.6.
Okay, 71.6, then this will be your resistance. Okay, this will be your resistance, whatever you are getting. Do the calculation, cos this thing. Again, if you need to find out the inductive reactance, that is your X4. How you will find out this? Very simple. 187.5 sine 71.6. Okay, that will be your answer. And now if you find out only inductance if you need to find out, you have to just from X4 you can easily find out the inductance. So L4 you can find out X4 by 2 pi f. Simple. Okay. So you know the formula of f, it's 1000. You know the formula of X4. Everything you can do. It's a bit different kind of sum, a difficult one, because angle calculation you have to do. Now, so this module I have completed. From next day, tomorrow maybe, we will do 2-3 sums from here only on Anderson, de Sauty and Sherry. And then we will do crossing to the next module. Okay, module 2. Okay, before that, if anybody has came late, then I will share the QR code, but this is the problem. Okay. And in very less problem, you have to consider the angle. Okay, specifically here we have to consider, because the Z4 portion, that is totally unknown to us. We even don't know the resistance also. So if you get this kind of problem where you don't know any parameter, but you need to find out the impedance, you have to do the calculation by taking the angle also. Okay, at that time you have to consider the angle. Otherwise, it's not that much required. Okay. So now here in this case, you're asked to do something, find out something which is completely unknown to you. Okay, but if only one parameter is being given, then the process would be have different. But if such thing, the process will be just like this. And in pure capacitance, why it is taken -90? Because I hope you know that capacitance are always lags. Okay, lag, and resistance is always in phase with the voltage. Okay, capacitance lag, inductance lead. Okay, so this thing you should also apply that concept here. Okay, okay, so let me share once the QR code if anybody has left out, and give the attendance. Okay, thank you so much for attending. After giving QR code, you may leave. Thank you.